all doing well, and that your Bitcoin trading is going well, or whatever you're trading is going well. Today I want to just quickly review why today's price action has been ranging on Bitcoin and on a lot of other assets. And the reason, for example, on Bitcoin, if you look at the VRE chart, you'll notice a couple different things. If you notice volatility similarly, you'll notice a couple different things. So on volatility, there were some nice mixed reads across the daily candle and other time frames indicating volatility would be going up, down, back up again. It's sideways too. And we've seen that play out on different time frames. And more importantly, we've seen the VRE, which is an indicator that we provided Alpha Trading, that we built. That we made a version of our own, I should say, which is more accurate, more precise than the original one, more useful than the original one in many ways. And we overlaid with different distribution models like with loss and normal. But you can see the central daily range of the VRE is quite wide today. It was like, I believe, 2.08% or something like that. Whatever it was over 2%. And when it's over 2%, that means that it's fairly wide, relatively. 2% meaning when the height of the VRE, the central daily range of the VRE, is more than 2% of the asset's value, then that means that the day will most probably be a ranging day. Right? And when it's underneath 2%, or usually tighter than that, but 2% is like the upper limit of it, then it'll be a trending day, like super percent or something like that. But typically under still going to be a very nice trending day. Also under 2% can also be a trending day. But when it's over 2%, that's quite wide, and you'll typically see ranging action like we've been seeing today so far, and we'll probably see through the end of the day. Of course, there are probabilities to both directions in any case, whether it's ranging or not, but you can see the way that it's been moving, that it is in fact ranging today, and it looks like it's going to be continuing to do so for the rest of the day. It has yet to test the weekly range, the central weekly range of the VRE. Tested the monthly very nicely yesterday and today, and I tested the monthly also on the very first day of the month, but that was a couple of touches and that was it. At this point, we're seeing it's tested the monthly range very nicely, and it just has not yet tested this week's weekly range. So that is a strong magnet. It doesn't mean it has to test it today or tomorrow. It could maybe test it by any time this week. It might not even test it at all, but the probabilities are very high that at some point it will, so keep that in mind. Anyway, that's it for now, folks. Happy trading.